Safeguarding your XRP is now simpler than ever. Let's move it from Gemini to your hardware wallet in less than 90 seconds. Begin by confirming your hardware wallet is connected to your computer and that Ledger Live is open and unlocked within Ledger Live. Locate your XRP account. You must generate a new deposit address, select the Receive option, and Ledger Live will present your unique XRP address. Think of this as your dedicated XRP mailbox. Copy this address with utmost precision. Any error could lead to permanent loss of your funds. Now, transition to your Gemini account. Log in securely, utilizing your two-factor authentication safeguards. Once authenticated, proceed to your Assets or Wallet section, find XRP within your holdings, and choose the Withdraw option. This is where you'll input the XRP address you obtained from your ledger, paste it into the destination address field, verify that the Gemini interface recognizes it as a valid XRP address. On Gemini, specify XRP as the cryptocurrency for withdrawal. Following this, input the precise quantity of XRP you intend to transfer. Accuracy is paramount prior to finalization. Gemini will typically request a final confirmation and your two-factor authentication code for an added layer of security. Review all withdrawal parameters meticulously. Gemini will then initiate the transfer, sending your XRP to the address associated with your ledger. The duration of this process can fluctuate due to network activity, but your XRP will appear in your Ledger Live once validated on the XRP ledger. Well done. Your XRP is now fortified within your hardware wallet.